never forget, they were covertly drugging me. While I could sense disreputable, obnoxious demons tugging me. They wish to label the essence of what it means to be a Christian as mental illness. We would be better off if morality went through stillness. The world is backwards. They give you false hope. They attack us spiritually, socially, and with their wealth. The drugging was stealth, just like their fighter. It won't be like their fire. That will burn their very being. Why couldn't they understand what I was seeing? With all the videos that I relayed the info, their info more than they can handle. The last wax of a candle, their demonic scandal. They're heartless vultures from hell, bunch of lowly dogs that need me to spill it out. At the moon I shout. They don't want to give a drop of water in a drought, because they're stingy and lost. It is the Almighty they've crossed. Nothing else really matters. People were starving while they were getting fatter. I stab them in the bladder. Now can you hold? When God angels descend on you snakes, you will fold. They were cold, worse than a frosty winter. God said, go get them, and these demons all deliver. Hell requires your souls. The top martial artist achieved his goal, staring through the window at trolls. You know the rear view. Even when you're behind me, I can see you. It's useless to creep. They want to do me like Pac, get me in my sleep. But I've peeped all their games. Lord knows all their names. And in that day, they will cry out for the Lord and get no answer. And in that day, they will pay for psych ops, similar to ones they did on the Panthers. They will reap it. And all your blood money, you can keep it.
Idolater, your soul is required in hell. Make the first item on your agenda fair treatment where God's children are concerned. Now, if you are not prepared to do that, we do have an agenda that we must follow. The first question that the Levite asked was, if I stop to help this man, what will happen to me? But then the Good Samaritan came by, and he reversed the question. If I do not stop to help this man, what will happen to him? That's the question before you tonight. Not if I stop to help the sanitation workers, what will happen to my job? Not if I stop to help the sanitation workers, what will happen to all of the hours that I usually spend in my office every day and every week as a pastor? The question is not if I stop to help this man in need, what will happen to me? The question is, if I do not stop to help the sanitation workers, what will happen to them? That's the question.